Right now, $70 billion sits untouched.
$17 billion waiting to get scooped up. All it takes is a quick search online.
$1.2 and $1.3 billion, Guy. That's enough to pay each Alabamian $260.
But is the state doing enough to get it back to you?
1 in 10 Americans is owed a piece of it. The government will never call you. You have to find it yourself. This is not a theory. It is called unclaimed property, old deposits, uncashed checks, abandoned gift cards. They do not vanish. The state takes them. You assume that old utility deposit from your first apartment is gone. You lost the receipt. The company went silent. But it did not disappear because a hidden law kicks in. After just 1 year of inactivity, sometimes 3, sometimes 5, that money must be handed over, not to you, to the state treasury. Therefore, your cash leaves the private sector. It enters a giant government pool. And then the state invests it. They earn interest. They keep every cent. You never see a statement. They never owe you an explanation. This is legal. This is happening to millions right now. The ghost tax is not a tax. It is a silent transfer. Think about that. Your $400 electric deposit from 7 years ago. The state has been trading on it, earning returns. While you got nothing, it feels like theft, but it is standard procedure. Every state does it. Banks profit when you forget. They hang on to your dormant funds. They charge inactivity fees. Thus, your balance shrinks before surrender. Then the state steps in. Your money becomes their investment vehicle. You are left out. But wait, you can get it all back, every cent. If a forgotten savings bond sat there, the accumulated interest is yours. If the property included stocks, those shares and all dividends belong to you. You simply claim it. The process is shockingly simple. 2 minutes, no fees, just your name and a search button. Every state runs an online database. It links to forgotten life insurance policies, old paychecks, inheritance checks, gift card balances. The treasure is massive, yet 90% of people never search. Why? Because nobody told them. The state does not broadcast this. Banks do not advertise it. There is no annual reminder. Hence, the pile grows, $70 billion, and counting. Excitement hits first. Wait, the government might owe me money? You type your name. Your heart beats faster. You see a result. It could be $50. It could be $10,000. That money sat in a vault for decades. The state earned interest on my name. You lost decades of growth. Then pure joy, you file a claim. Weeks later, a check arrives. Or a direct deposit lands. You hold proof that your lost money is back. That feeling is indescribable. It is your money. Every state has a vault of cash waiting for owners. But there is a catch. They do not have to notify you ever. So, who is collecting your share right now? Maybe a deceased relative. Maybe your younger self from a past job. The money waits. It never expires. There is no statute of limitations. This means your forgotten $10 at a retail store is now in a government fund. But you can reclaim it. Plus, if the property included stock, the state held those shares. They sold some. They kept the dividends. But the remaining value and dividends are yours. This is not a joke. It is your legal right. Google searches for unclaimed money spike 400% every January. Tax season anxiety drives people to look. By February, they forget. The searches crash. Everyone moves on. The money waits. But you are different. You now know the secret. Your state has a vault of cash. It might have your name on it. And they will never call. So you must act. Think of all the places your money hides. Final utility bills, rental deposits, insurance refunds, uncashed checks, gift cards with a few dollars left. They do not evaporate. The law forces companies to send them to the state after 1 to 5 years of silence. Therefore, your forgotten $30 on a gift card becomes state property, yet you can take it back. The National Association of Unclaimed Property Administrators confirms this. Their site links to every state's database. It is free. Never pay a finder's fee. Never hire a company. They charge you to do what you can do in 2 minutes. Hence, avoid middlemen. Go direct. The government site is secure. Your claim gets verified. Then you wait. Weeks pass. Then joy arrives in your mailbox. The transformation is complete. You started assuming old deposits, and gift cards just vanished. You can file a free 2-minute claim and get everything back. That is your money. Type your name right now. You might find something that changes your week.